Hi there, you're welcome to Chris Graphix Tutorials. Welcome to another day of the thumbnail design challenge. So today we're going to do something for a tutorial I concluded just recently. So how was the thumbnail created? That's if you watch this tutorial, you are going to see that the thumbnail is quite catchy and simple. How was I able to do that? I did that with Pixellab, and that's what I'm going to show you. All right, so hit the background editing tool like I've done here, then hit image size, then click the drop down, change it from custom to YouTube thumbnail. Click OK. This is the size of our thumbnail. So I'm going to delete this. So the next thing is to bring in my background. So click from gallery. After you click the plus sign, I'm going to go to my gallery and go to pins. That's for me. Then I'll hit my background over here. I'm going to change the ratio to 16:9. All right, that's the ratio for YouTube thumbnail. So hit OK. I'm going to drag into fit. All right, position this at the middle. Once that is done, I'm going to lock it. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it to your friends. And then stay glued by turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss the next design challenge upload. Alright, click the plus sign, and from there I'm going to bring in what we created in Pixellab. Alright, I've not edited this with any other application, just from Pixellab directly. So I'm going to click this, and here we have it. So I'm going to hit OK. Alright, you can see these effects. Let's see if I can reduce it. Well, I think we have to just leave it that way. Okay. I want to stretch it this way, even though I won't advise that for many designs. All right, so I think we can leave it this way. I don't want it to go down too much, so we can leave it this way. And then let's come to color filters and the brightness. Okay, let's reduce the brightness a little bit. Let's increase the contrast a little bit. You can change the color if you want. Alright, so after this I'll just duplicate this. So come to copy, let's duplicate this. Oh my god, let's lock this, and then I'm going to rotate this and drop here as well. Alright, so now the next thing I'm going to do is to add text. So click plus sign and not the dates. Let's change this to this new effects. For the fonts, I will change the fonts to click the text editing tool. I have some fonts installed here already for myself, so I'm going to check some of the fonts I have. Alright, we can use this. I think the T is cut off, so come to padding, and then left padding is quite alright. The right padding, I'll just move it in a little bit, make it how to achieve these effects. Now what I'm going to do next is I'll just, for the coloring, just add some gradient fill, take it to gradient, click your plus sign, pick this first point here, click the color icon, click the color picker above here, and then let's pick this color, hit OK. Oh my god, I'm going to do that again. Pick this color, hit OK, hit OK. Alright, so for this second part, just change it to white. So just move this to this point and hit OK. Alright, let's see what we have. Alright, so now the next thing I'll do is to add shadow effects and make it glow, enable glow. And let's see, I think the glow is too much, so let's close it and just make this, I want to make it white. So alright, so just for it to have a glowing effect. Can you see how it's appearing? So the next thing is just to write another text. Oh my god, how to achieve how to achieve so for the fonts, let's change it to I don't know whether I have Stretch Pro here. Alright, that's how to achieve I'll copy this, how to achieve this new effects, and then I'm going to write this with Pixellab. Alright, hit OK. I'm going to move this here. Alright, you can see there's a way I arranged this text, so now it's not directly a centralized alignment, but there's just a way I just did it. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is to bring in from gallery, okay, not a shape, come from gallery, head to photo room, and then I'm going to bring in this arrow. So these particular resources, I'm going to make them available for you. Alright, so make sure now for this arrow I'll have to turn it the other way around, so click crop, flip here, there's a way to flip it here, and then you flip it. Okay, let's see, yeah, turn it around this way. You can see now how to achieve this. So the next thing is to actually put Pixellab logo. So once you're done with that, you're good to go, and that stuff is ready. All right, I think Pixellab. All right, here's the logo. It's okay. So I think this is how that was achieved. All right, I hope you learned, and I hope you are able to do this. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. So after you're done, you save this as an image. I would love to use Ultra for it, so it comes out sharp. Alright, so we are done with the design. See you tomorrow for next design. Share the video to others, and make sure you practice alongside. Post your results, and I'm going to pick the best one and feature you in the next video. Bye for now.